Today, I'm sharing a super easy DIY scrub that help you achieve brighter, smoother, glowing skin in just a minute using simple ingredients at home. Start with 1 teaspoon of coffee. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Then, 1 tablespoon of calamansi. Then, mix everything well until smooth. Want brighter, smoother skin instantly? This DIY scrub, made with coffee, baking soda, and calamansi, help exfoliate dry skin, lighten the dark spot, and boost your skin natural glow. Coffee gently exfoliates, while calamansi help brighten and refresh dull skin. However, baking soda can be a bit strong and may disrupt your skin natural pH with use too often. For best result, use this scrub gently and only occasionally to avoid irritation. Always listen to your skin and glow safety.